What's up, viewers? In this video I'm going to show you how to install hood struts so that you can lift your hoods almost hands-free. This install process involves installing a bracket on your hood, bolting it down to this bolt over here, and then having your hood strut in between them. We already have it installed on the driver's side, so together we'll do it on the passenger side. First thing you're going to do is remove the 12mm bolt from your hood. Once it's loose, you can remove it with your fingers. Once that is removed, we're going to remove this bolt over here. This is where the hinge of your hood is connected to. We're going to remove the front one. It is a 12mm and I use an extension arm to get better reach. You want to first connect this to this piece before you install it, otherwise it will be very difficult. Start by removing this clip, insert this in the hole, and then reinstall this clip. It's going to be like this. This is a configuration for the passenger side. Using the same bolt, you're going to install this in there. That is how it will look once it's installed. Then we come over here and we're going to mount this onto the bracket that goes over here. This bracket will go here. I'm going to connect it to the middle hole, as that is what worked on my other side. And it should be the same for your Rav4. You want to make sure you install this first before you do this, so that you can use your wrench to torque it down over here. Otherwise this piece will get in the way. That is what it looks like when it is all finished. We have it bolted there, we have it bolted there, and then in the middle hole on the bracket, this guy I don't actually need anymore, I guess. There you go.